Hey guys, today's language arts lesson is on subject-verb agreement, which is something that we've already talked about before, so this should be a review for you. Subject-verb agreement, here we go. Subject-verb agreement. So we've talked about how the English language can be just a little bit wacky sometimes. Whoever came up with some of these rules had a really great sense of humor, right? So subject-verb agreement means that whatever the subject is, the verb has to agree. They have to get along, so to speak. So a singular subject, which we know singular means one, if a singular subject takes a singular verb. Miss Thompson loves her students. Okay? What's the subject is singular. There's only one Miss Thompson, thankfully, right? All right. Miss Thompson does what? She loves. All right, did you notice that Miss Thompson is singular, but the verb has an S on the end of it? Well, that's where the rule gets kind of wacky. Typically, when you have a plural noun, what do you add to the end of it? Most of the time, you'll add an S or an ES to the end of it. Well, the verb does the opposite when we're talking about subject-verb agreement. So if it's a singular subject, then you would add the S to the end of the verb. If it's a plural subject, okay, the kids love Miss Thompson. I know you do. You can't deny it. All right, so the kids, that's the subject. Is that singular or is it plural? We're talking about more than one, so it's plural. So you'll do the opposite with the verb. Did you notice the kids love? Is there an S on the end of love? No. So it's kind of like they switch roles. All right, the next part is might be a little bit confusing, but we'll get through it. In compound subjects joined by or, either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject part that's nearest to it. Okay, I know, confusing, right? But we're going to get through it. Here we go. Here's an example. Here's an example of a compound subject that would be plural. Okay? Carly and Jorge bring chocolate to Miss Thompson. Okay? Because we joined with and, Carly and Jorge, okay, that's two people doing the same thing. So that would be plural. Okay? And because that's plural, we say bring. We don't have the S on the end of it, right? Now here's an example of using, let's do nor. Okay? Kenley nor Gentry brings chocolate to Miss Thompson. Sounds about right, doesn't it? All right, because we said Kenley nor Gentry, all right, we're talking about one. And when we do that, which one is closer to the verb? Kenley nor Gentry brings chocolate to Miss Thompson. Gentry is the closest, right? Well, how many is Gentry? Is she singular or plural? She's singular. I don't know if we can handle more than one Gentry in this world. I don't know. All right, but Gentry is singular. So then the rule of the subject-verb agreement applies to the singular subject. Gentry brings. So if you have a compound subject joined by or nor, okay, the verb agrees with the noun that's closest to it, that's right next to it. All right, so there you have it, subject-verb agreement. If you still have any questions, you know how to find me at any time, and have a great day. Miss you guys.